The rapidly approaching vehicle fails to notice the turning truck. The car, losing control, skids and crashes into the oncoming truck. A vehicle speeding on a road without the right-of-way crashes into a truck, causing it to overturn. The out-of-control vehicle crashes into the oncoming red car, smashing it to pieces. The skids and collides with the oncoming truck, breaking into pieces. The vehicle making an improper overtake crashes head-on with the oncoming car. The vehicle entering the turn at high speed crashes into the car with a camera recording, causing it to flip over. The truck violently crashes into the vehicle, making a slow turn, completely destroying it. The car, speeding on a snowy road, loses control and skids, colliding with an oncoming vehicle. A vehicle pulls onto the main road without checking and is hit by an oncoming car at high speed, causing a devastating crash. The car that pulls out to overtake without checking the mirror causes a high-speed car behind it to flip over and crash. The vehicle changes lanes without checking the mirror and flips over. The car that veers out of its lane crashes head-on with an oncoming truck. The vehicle attempting to weave through traffic fails to control itself and causes a major crash. The car trying to weave through traffic flips over and crashes onto the oncoming vehicles. The speeding car brakes, loses control, and crashes into the oncoming truck. The truck with failed brakes crushes the vehicle in front of it by pinning it between the truck and itself. The speeding car loses control, becomes airborne, and flips over. The car veering out of its lane crashes into the truck ahead, turning the scene into a battlefield. Thank you for watching. I hope you watch my videos and drive more carefully. Don't forget to like and subscribe.